Yes, ChatGPT can actually do everything, like in terms of generating your story. But in some cases, you might just have to, like, in case you have your own idea. So this is what I did here. I have my own idea already, what I want. So I just write it up, and then I'm going to give it to ChatGPT to help me to complete the rest. You get. So now I'm going to paste my idea into ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT to just make it a story, and then give me a script from it, whereby I have my characters and then everything. So that's just what I put at the end of the write up. I asked ChatGPT to just turn my idea into a script, and this is what I got from that. So my cast, I have just four characters from there. That is Ikena, Amara, and Tunde. So this is what ChatGPT gave to me. So once you get your idea like that, and then you have your script written out by ChatGPT. So the next thing you do from here now, you just tell ChatGPT the next thing, which is to describe your characters for you. So I'm going to type it here now. Give me the image prompt for the characters. Yeah, and then send. So let's see what ChatGPT will give us. So you can see Ikena Okafor, the wealthy charmer. So that is the image prompt for Ikena, and this is to Tunde Adebayo. So this is the image prompt. So the third one, Sarah, this is the image prompt, and Amara Eze, the image prompt. So these are my characters. So what I now have to do now is go to my browser. Um, I'll go to Image FX. Just type Image FX. Image FX. So this is what I have. So you go to the setting, go to settings, then change your landscape. This landscape, change it. Or if you want your image to be on landscape, but for images, I think square is better. So I go for square. If you like, you can use the portraits. Either of the two is fine. So now let's copy the prompts. Let's first go for, we are going for Ikena first. Ikena first. Okay, let's just copy anyone. This is Amara. This is Amara. So anyone, just do anyone as you like. Just make sure you get all the images ready. That's all that matters. So I just want you to know how you're going to do it. So this is just all I need. The rest of the write up is not useful. So paste it here, and then yeah, I'm going to copy this. So let me delete this. This is for someone else. So yeah, and paste. Then click this star button right here. So this is Amara. This is Amara. So you just do that for every images. So you have like up to like 4 or 5 images here. So just select anyone you like. I think I prefer this one. Nah, nah, nah. I prefer this. Yes, this. So anyone you are okay with is fine. So download, save it to your gallery. So click download. So this is it. So I will save it. I'm using an iPhone, so whichever phone you use determine how you save your own. So should be able to know how to do that. So these are all the images. This is uh, Amara. This is Zara. This is Tunde. Then I have Ikena there too. So now that I have all the images, the next thing to do is to tell ChatGPT to generate the image prompt for the scenes. Remember what you did earlier is for characters. So now you want to generate prompt for the scene. We have about 6 or 7 scenes there. So just follow this little by little, step by step. So scene one, Ikena Penthouse, Banana Island. So you can see this is the image prompt for the scene. Now, scene one, scene two, scene three. It depends on how many scene your story have. So you get all of them. So what we do now, let's copy the prompt for scene one. So let's copy the prompt for scene one. And don't forget, we already have our images ready. So now let's go to image effects again. See these tri wings, this yellow. So click that yellow thing. So you come here, click enter tools, then we are here. So now you have to add images. Let's add our images here. So now click this image button here. So photo library. So add all the images that we generated, all of them. So we have all our 4 images here. See, so all of them loaded. So you can actually untick them and you can tick them. So depend on which one you need in your image, in your scene. So in this scene now, we only need Tunde and Ikena. So let's just untick here. Let's untick the 2 girls. So now choose this square. I loved using that square for video. So it depend on which characters you need. So those are the one you need on this image scene here. So since it's just these 2 guys, so that's why we remove the girls. So if the next scene we need girls or we need just one, we add them. Sure you understand. So now let's save this image now. Download the scene here to see the image. So now we have 2 characters in one scene. In some cases you might have 3, you might have more than that. But normally um this wings doesn't allow more than 3 characters. So you just have to look for a way. So let's try the second one, the second scene. So in this scene now, we have just Ikena, then the 2 ladies. So you have to read your prompt to know which characters you need. So just click this add image again. Just click this add image again. So you see all the characters are here. So here now we need the first girl, then we need this man here, Ikena, then the second girl. So it's just those 3. We don't need this last guy. So go back, just click that X. Yes. So you see we have just the 3 characters here. And so let's click generate. So you see now we have the 3 of them in one scene. So just repeat the same steps for all your scenes to generate all your scenes. Just repeat the same thing. The next thing to do now is to make it a video. So how do we do that? We already have our dialogues here. So let's copy it like little by little. So just these 2 dialogue is okay. So we copy this, yes, 3. So just 3 talks. So we go to our browser again, go to grok.com, grok.com. So open your grok.com. Then you click this imaging up, imaging. Yeah. Then you see this logo here. So you click it to add your image. So we add our first scene. Let's add our first scene. So upload a file, then open library. So this is our first scene. So once you have that, you add it. Let it load. Yeah, we have it here. So you paste the first dialogues that you have. Paste it. Don't forget, this is just what we do. You just need to keep repeating it till you have your perfect dialogue. So now I'm trying to make them understand where I want to talk first, because they don't know who is Tunde, they don't know who is Ikena. So the guy is sitting Tunde. So just for the AI to recognize where I want to talk first. That's why I'm adding that. That's why I'm adding that. So in your case, you might, maybe if they are wearing green, you can use, okay, the guy wearing green, the lady wearing green, or the lady on braid. Just describe your characters. So let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. Just click this play.
You just closed the 1.2 billion naira deal today. Most people will be celebrating with family. Business is my family, and
Okay. So there's a mistake here. There's a mistake here. What Tunde is supposed to say, Ikena is saying part of it. So what I notice here now is there's a full stop after that today. Meanwhile, it's supposed to be a comma. So you can make all those adjustments until you get your perfect uh dialogues. Until you get your perfect dialogue. So you just keep retrying it, keep redoing it until you get what you want. So now I just remove the full stop, I put comma
you
instead.
just closed the 1.2 billion naira deal today. Most people will be celebrating. Business is my family, prof my peace. And women? You just closed the 1.
So I think this is better. So I'm going to download this. So you just need to play it, listen to it. Once you are satisfied, download. So that's just the thing. So the rest of the dialogue, what you just have to do, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next talk, copy the next one. So from Ikena Labs, so you copy it little by little. Like it's because grok.com, they cannot do more than 6 seconds. So that's why you can't do more than three, two dialogues like that. So now paste this. So you delete the first one, then paste this one. Describe if you need to describe, so that it can be perfect. So to make it easier, yes. So now I will generate this. So I will just keep on doing the same process. Just keep doing the same process till you get all your scenes into video. So that's all you do. I believe you understand. If you don't understand, please just go back, watch the video again until you perfect it. So just keep repeating these steps to get all your videos done. So now the next thing is to go to your CapCut and join all the videos together according to the scenes. You get, if you need to add music, you add music anyhow you like, just do it to your own taste. We don't Your video cannot be like my own, your my own video cannot be like another person's own. So anyhow you like it, just use CapCut. You
You just
should
closed the 1.2
know
billion
how
naira deal
to
today.
do all
Most people
that.
will be celebrating.
So just join all the videos together, scene by scene, scene one, connect it together. All the, you have your 6 seconds videos and all. So just put them together the way the dialogue is supposed to
You
be.
just closed the 1.2 billion naira deal today. Most people will be celebrating. Business is my family, prof my peace. And women? Women are entertainment. One day, Your entertainment will entertain you back.
Just put them together and you have your full video. I think this is all for today. I hope you were able to understand and then learn this particular tutorial. And then I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.